Hey friends, welcome back to Life with Ray Champ, where we do all the things while following Christ. In our first part, we talked about preparing our food items for the oncoming recession. This video, we're going to talk about miscellaneous items such as personal hygiene products, first aid kits, and so on and so forth. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to talk about our first aid kit. I have this first aid kit from Amazon. Okay, you can get this on Amazon. It has a ton of different products in there, such as alcohol pads, cold packs, pain reliever, and I also got this one. This is a smaller version, but you can find it on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description, and you can follow the link and do your research there. If you want to get your own mini box and collect the items that you feel would be a necessity for your family in the first aid kit, then here are some items. I made a list of some items that you can go ahead and purchase. Not limited to Benadryl, Claritin for allergies, cold packs, hand heater packets if you're in a cold state, cotton swabs. You could buy little mini first aid kits, alcohol pads, pain reliever, antibiotic ointment. I also have rain ponchos just in case. You have medicine and vitamins. As far as those, you have vitamin D, vitamin C, zinc with copper, baby aspirin. I'm not a medical expert. I'm not sure if you can go to your doctor and ask them for a prescription so you can have one on hand just in case prescriptions and medications are not accessible. You do that as well. Like I said, I'm not a medical expert. Consult with your doctor. Moving forward, we have personal hygiene products. We have feminine pads, liners. You need sunscreen, travel toothpaste or just regular toothpaste in general, towelettes, facial towelettes, diapers, wipes, paper towel, toilet tissue, bar soap, Castile soap. You have life straws, which life straws are good, if the water is not good. The life straws filters out the water and purifies it. We have miscellaneous items such as laundry detergent, aluminum foil, safety pin, masks, waterproof matches, gloves, garbage bags, zip ties, can openers, local maps. Just make this for you and your family. Like I mentioned in part 1, it's me and my husband, and we have a 5-year-old who's about to be 6, and we have a 1-year-old who's about to be 2. So just make this list custom to your family and their needs. Us personally, we don't have any prescriptions that we need to take, thankfully, so we don't have to worry about that part. But like I said, make it your own. I'll show you what I have. We have vitamin C here. We have chelated zinc with copper. I have some bar soap. I also have Kirk's Castile soap for gentle. I have some extra alcohol pads, cotton swabs, allergy relief, and you also can go to your Dollar Tree. I got some of these items from Dollar Tree. We have lighters, antibiotic ointments, we have aluminum foil. We also have stocked up diapers and wipes until our 2-year-old starts potty training, and we don't need those items anymore. So if you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you later. Bye.